Today on DIY Your Life, we're going to learn how to create your own all-purpose cleaning solution. Join me. Instead of spending a lot of money on expensive cleaners that may or may not work, follow this recipe to make your own cost-effective all-purpose cleaner right at home. Your items needed are a spray bottle, borax, liquid Castile soap, your favorite smelling essential oils, and hot water. Grab your spray bottle and add 3 cups of hot water, 2 teaspoons of borax, 1/4 teaspoon of liquid Castile soap, and 7 to 10 drops of essential oil. Mix the solution together. Make sure to use hot water so the borax dissolves. That's it. Making your own cleaning solution is that easy. I use this all-purpose cleaning solution for every room in my house. It's great for everything from countertops to toilets. Give it a try because you will be so surprised at how well this works. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. Subscribe for daily DIY videos. And please give this video a thumbs up. Thank you.